Hi, now that we have learned about lines, let's do a simple assignment to understand more about lines. What we are going to do is we're going to have a company variant called Activity Center. Then um, the line hierarchy will be basically water classes, that is basically stuff like swimming and all. You can say aqua, then you can say floor activities, and then you can say games. So this is basically three different kind of activities that are there in the activity center: water activities, floor activities, as well as games. Then you can create universal lines for the different activity packages. For example, in this case, your universal lines would be for example, karate or swimming or advanced swimming course. You can have tennis coaching, cricket coaching, football coaching. These would be your universal lines. And then as custom lines, you will have different packages like different durations, karate for 3 months, karate for 6 weeks. You can be the judge of what you do here. The only key here is you will be creating the company variant and the line hierarchy here, but the universal line and custom lines will be using processes. So you will have two different transaction styles, one for creating universal lines where they can add new classes, and another one will be custom lines where they will be creating new variations. Feel free to look up websites like Cult or others which have these kind of different packages. That should help you more with deciding what the different contents should be. I would strongly suggest using a couple of lists so that you can practice with it. Please make sure that you do not have just the name of the package as the custom line name or universal line. That's not, we would require to use a few other features as well. Please complete this assignment, and then we'll move on to the next topics. Thank you.